Let's try another very common Qigong form. This one, we're going to take our attention underneath the balls of the feet. Draw in a feeling of tension into the fingers. So just the fingers. See if you can relax your chest and your shoulders and just notice what it feels like to have tension, almost like you're finding claws in your fingers. We're going to gather in and draw towards the heart. As we come towards the heart, just soften the fingers. And then we turn the palms up and push out. Find that tension again, new claws. We're drawing in, breathing in, soften the fingers at the heart, and then out. Okay, so you get the idea, this idea of tension coming and being released, coming and being released. We're going to be breathing in as we come towards the body, and then our heart is softening that feeling of tension. We're allowing it to go. And then as we push up, we want our shoulders to be heavy, down the back of the spine, arms heavy. So we're not reaching up, we're just taking our hands and then we're drawing the energy back. Okay, so let's see. This is usually the first form of Baduan Jin, the eight brocades. And it's a way of dealing with out of balance wood element, things of frustration and anger and impatience and moodiness. So we're going to see if we can find and isolate that feeling. No feeling is final. Everything is coming and going and moving through us. Take a breath, drawing in, softening, and out. New breath, new tension, drawing in, softening, and out. Keep that spine straight. Allow the breath to come. Let it go. Allow every emotion to pass, whether positive or negative, good or bad. Maybe no label at all, just emotion. Can't hold on to it. Can't hold on to anger. Can't hold on to happiness. This form is about regulating body temperature, our San Jiao, our triple heater. Often we have too much fire in the belly, or maybe too much busyness in the mind, too much thinking. And we use this form to help regulate from belly to heart to head, looking for a sense of evenness. Let's bring our palms back onto the body. And just allow your breath to come. Let it go.